I don't think you can get it in gear. Keep your foot on the brake.
Yeah. It's hard as fuck to turn.
Watch out.
That's it.
Right there. Hold it. That motor is toast.
It's an antifreeze now. Yeah, I'm keeping on.
I think the motor is going down because the antifreeze is leaking now. Alright, back it up. That's enough. Turn them lights out so we don't get ourselves in trouble. Oh, shit. It lost the antifreeze. It's done. Turn them lights off. Can't no damn police. Are you one?
No, sir. This guy under the influence. Yeah.
You didn't see anything, did you? How about you guys?
That should record too.
Good time to turn them lights out.
Hey Zach, kill the light.
I am surprised that engine ain't all the way done.
Tires are sticky.
That way.
Right here.
Come on. Alright, hold it. Hold the brake.
Good.
Alright. We got a professional jumping in now.
Hit all the lights on. The whole switch.
That's a mean cop car. Scaring it up. Damn. Jesus! Holy fuck! Yeah, that's... Dude!
Oh my god!
Yeah, I'm gonna fuck her. Boom!
Move this foot? Oh, baby!
Yeah, that bitch is hit. And there you have it. And that's how it's done by a professional.
Fuck it, leave it set there and it'll cool off.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Down on one. That's what exploded.
I thought it was a motor. At first I was like, oh shit. Now I look back and I'll see it was a flat tire. That's great.
some people down there. They're like, what the fuck are they doing? Damn. Who's doing no burnouts here, sir? Yeah, you're done. Here, Dad, how you stop this?
Right here.
You, sir.
See if it'll start up.
Oh, no, stop it. Don't do it anymore, it's done. See if it'll start and get it in the garage. Dude, we overheated that bad boy.
That thing is done.
Time to leave them alone.
That one.
Did you get that tire when it popped?
Dude, I was all like, gotta jump out the way. Shit went everywhere. Stuck me in my neck.
And that's a wrap, folks. Where you guys going?
Fucking mangled that tire.
I'm sitting right here.
That's the action.